What if your devices never ran out of power, even miles away from an outlet? Imagine that freedom. Welcome back. Today we reveal the top 6 best solar battery charger options that keep you powered anywhere. Stay till the end for real value and check links in description to grab yours. At number 6 is POWOXI Upgraded. Imagine your car refusing to start just because the battery silently died while sitting under the sun. That frustration is exactly what this clever device aims to erase. The POWOXI Upgraded solar charger enters the scene with confidence, earning its place among the top 6 best solar battery charger solutions for everyday drivers and outdoor users. The real pain point for most people is battery drain during long idle periods. And here that worry fades thanks to smart internal protection and stable solar conversion that keeps your battery consistently maintained. It is ideal for car owners, boat users, RV travelers, and anyone needing simple 12-volt battery maintenance without hassle. Compared with basic solar trickle chargers in the same category, it offers stronger build quality, better safety systems, and improved efficiency, though its charging speed is naturally dependent on sunlight conditions. The scratch-resistant frame and easy plug-and-play setup make it practical and stress-free. It delivers peace, readiness, and confidence every time you turn the key. On number 5 is SUNAPEX Waterproof. A dead battery at the worst possible moment is more than an inconvenience. It feels like your entire plan collapses in seconds. That's exactly where the SUNAPEX Waterproof solar charger flips the script. Built for those tired of unreliable trickle chargers, it brings ultra-smart MPPT efficiency that quietly pulls maximum energy even in inconsistent sunlight. The result feels immediate. Faster recovery, smarter power flow, longer battery life. Its 3-stage charging keeps things controlled, not aggressive, making it ideal for vehicles that sit idle like boats, RVs, or seasonal cars. Setup is refreshingly simple. Plug, position, and forget it. No constant checking, no stress. Compared to basic PWM chargers, this one extracts noticeably more usable energy, though it does come at a slightly higher upfront cost. Still, the waterproof build and full safety protection make it dependable in harsh outdoor conditions. For drivers, travelers, and off-grid users who value consistency over guesswork, this charger transforms passive sunlight into reliable readiness every single day. At number 4 is SOLPERK Solar Panel Kit. Most battery failures don't happen because of age, they happen because no one remembered to maintain them. That's the silent frustration the SOLPERK Solar Panel Kit eliminates with a system that feels almost self-aware. Its high-efficiency monocrystalline cells capture more sunlight than expected, turning even partial daylight into steady charging power. Then, the smart controller steps in. Smooth 3-stage charging. No overcharging. No guesswork. Just consistent battery care. This makes it perfect for vehicle owners, farmers, and off-grid setups where reliability matters more than convenience. Installation feels effortless with the adjustable mount, letting you chase the sun without complicated setups. Compared to smaller trickle chargers, it delivers stronger, more stable output, though the slightly bulkier design may not suit ultra-compact needs. Still, the rugged waterproof build and long lifespan make it a dependable outdoor companion through harsh seasons. For anyone tired of dead batteries and constant manual checks, this kit quietly turns sunlight into a routine you never have to think about again. On number 3 is SUNAPEX 12 volts. Most people discover battery failure only when their engine refuses to respond, and by then, it is already too late. That recurring frustration is exactly what this SUNAPEX 12-volt solar charger quietly eliminates. Designed for idle vehicles and outdoor gear, it keeps a steady trickle of power flowing, preventing deep discharge before it even begins. The built-in controller handles everything in the background, stops when full, restarts when needed. No manual checks, no risk of overcharging. Setup feels effortless with simple plug options and suction mounting, making it ideal for car owners, boat users, and anyone storing equipment long-term. Even under weak sunlight, it continues delivering stable output, which many entry-level chargers struggle to achieve. Compared to higher wattage kits, it is less about speed and more about consistent maintenance, which may not suit heavy energy demands. Still, its rugged waterproof build and visual indicators create a sense of control and reliability. For anyone tired of unexpected battery surprises, this solution keeps readiness quietly locked in. At number 2 is Eco-Worthy 10-watt. A battery slowly draining in silence can ruin plans long before you even notice the warning signs. That quiet problem is exactly where the Eco-Worthy 10-watt solar charger earns its place among reliable solar battery maintainers. Built for simplicity, it delivers steady trickle charging that keeps 12-volt batteries alive during long idle periods. No need to start engines every few days, no constant monitoring. The built-in protection system prevents overcharging and blocks reverse flow at night, which adds a layer of confidence many basic chargers lack. Even under cloudy skies, it continues feeding small but consistent power. Setup is quick and practical with plug-and-play connections, making it ideal for car owners, RV travelers, and boat users who value low-effort maintenance. Compared to higher watt models, charging speed is modest, so it suits preservation more than rapid recovery. Still, the waterproof design and status indicator create a dependable, everyday solution. For those managing parked vehicles, it quietly keeps power from slipping away. Now moving to the last one is SOLPERK 30-watt. One overlooked truth about battery maintenance is that weak charging is often worse than no charging at all, slowly degrading performance without warning. That hidden issue is where the SOLPERK 30-watt solar kit steps in with authority. Its advanced MIP controller pulls significantly more usable energy from sunlight, delivering a stronger, more stable charge that feels closer to active recovery than passive maintenance. Short bursts of sunlight become meaningful power. The difference shows fast. Ideal for RV owners, off-grid setups, and anyone managing multiple 12-volt batteries, it balances efficiency with long-term care through intelligent protection systems. Installation feels flexible with a fully adjustable mount, letting you fine-tune exposure throughout the day. Compared to smaller 10-watt panels, this setup offers noticeably faster replenishment, though it requires slightly more space and upfront investment. Still, the rugged waterproof build and clear LED indicators create confidence in every condition. For users who demand more than basic upkeep, this system turns sunlight into consistent, dependable energy flow. If you want one clear winner, the SOLPERK 30-watt stands out for a simple reason: it doesn't just maintain your battery, it actively restores and sustains it with stronger, smarter energy flow. Its MPPT controller extracts more power from sunlight than standard chargers, giving you faster, more reliable results. You get durability, efficiency, and real performance in changing conditions. For RV users, vehicles, or off-grid setups, it delivers consistent charging confidence instead of slow, uncertain maintenance. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best solar battery charger. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.